and I would love to help you. If you're thinking about finding a place in New York City or moving here in the near future or sometime in your life, here are some tips. Top two places I would recommend is StreetEasy.com, StreetEasy Rentals. It comes in an app form, very easy to use, and Facebook groups, Facebook sublet groups, roommate search, all of that. I can send you a few links if you need help finding those groups. StreetEasy is going to be more for if you're looking to sign a brand new lease into a completely empty apartment. You'll probably have to find roommates somewhere in a Facebook group, or if you have friends who want to move in with you. Most people in New York City, especially in their 20s, even 30s, have roommates just because it makes rent so much cheaper, and splitting utilities and custom furniture and all that stuff is great as well. However, if you're moving from further away and you're not ready to commit to a full year-long or 2-year-long lease yet, I would highly recommend going into a Facebook group trying to find a sublet. So a sublet is when someone has a lease but they're trying to leave the lease, so they need someone to fill their room and pay rent while they're gone. Usually this is great because it's short term, and sometimes the person who's subletting will leave their furniture, so you won't have to worry about that, but that, depends on the situation. Another pro of doing a sublet is sometimes the rent will be cheaper because the rent price is going to be what the original leaseholder signed on to probably a year or so back, which may be less than what the market value is right now if you were signing on to a brand new lease. Cons are there are less options. You may not know who the roommates are. You may not like how it's decorated. But yeah, pros and cons, weigh your options. You can also find listings for sublets on leasebreak.com, potentially Craigslist, but that might be sketchy. And I'm sure there are plenty of other websites for that as well. But in my case, one of my friends found this apartment on StreetEasy. It's a no-fee apartment, meaning no broker's fee. If you're looking on StreetEasy, definitely try to find one with no fee. Otherwise, you will have to pay like a 15% broker fee or something like that, which is kind of annoying. Hope this helped.